Do you want to make it easy for viewers to binge watch multiple videos in a row from a YouTube channel so you can get more views and subscribers? In this video, you'll learn how to make your own playlist, how to add videos to a playlist, and how to share your playlists so you can get more views. Here's how to make your own YouTube playlist. Click on Playlist in the YouTube Studio dashboard. Click New Playlist, add a title, how to add an end screen on YouTube. Make it a searchable title so your playlist will be discovered in the search engines. Visibility public, click Create. Currently you have no videos on the playlist, no description, and no thumbnail. Click on the three dots, click Add Videos, click your YouTube videos. I'm going to select this one and this one. Click Add Videos. Now you can see that the videos have been added to my playlist, and I can shuffle them around if I want to by just clicking on the icon on the left and just shuffle it to the top or to the bottom. If I click on the three dots, I can remove the video from the playlist, move the video to the top, move it to the bottom, and set the playlist thumbnail from one of the videos. Now I want to add a description to my playlist, so I click the Edit Description. Discover how to add end screens to YouTube videos so you can get more views and subscribers. Click Save. If I click the three dots again, I can add more videos, I can delete the playlist, or I can edit my playlist settings. Let's click Playlist Settings, allow embedding, add new videos to the top of the playlist. I could switch that on if I want that to happen automatically. So I'm going to leave that off. Set as official series for this playlist. I'm going to slide it to on. Adding videos to a series playlist allows other videos in the playlist to be featured or recommended when someone's watching a video from that series. YouTube will use this information to modify how the videos are discovered or presented, so it's definitely worth doing. Just keep in mind that a video cannot appear in more than one series playlist, but they can appear multiple times in regular playlists. If I go back to my dashboard and click on Playlists, I can see the new playlist added here. I can also add videos to my playlists from the Content tab. So just select the video, then click Add to Playlist. Search for the right playlist and then add it to that playlist. I can also create a new playlist from this tab here. Another quick way to add a video to a playlist or create a new playlist is during the upload process. Under Video Details, just select the playlist that you want to add the video to or create a new playlist for that particular video. Here's how to make a YouTube playlist on your phone from other people's videos. Tap the YouTube app, select the video that you want to add to a playlist, tap the three dots, tap Save to Playlist. Now you can select the Watch Later playlist, or you can select one of your other playlists, or you can even create a new playlist. So in this case, just tap New Playlist, enter your title, select the visibility. So you can select public, unlisted, or private. I'm going to select private because it's just a private playlist that I can see but nobody else can see. Then just tap Create. If I tap Library, then I can see all my playlists here. And here's the new playlist that I added. If I want to remove that playlist, just tap on the playlist, then just tap the trash icon. Delete playlist, tap delete, and the playlist is gone. Keep in mind that after you delete a playlist, the playlist URL and title will no longer be searchable or visible in YouTube Analytics. And that's how you create a YouTube playlist on your phone from other people's videos using the YouTube app. Here's how to share YouTube playlists. If you're on a mobile device or computer, you can share your playlists or ones created by other YouTubers. When you share a playlist, a link is created which you can share on social media sites, or you can give it to somebody else to share your playlist. Here's how to share your own playlist. Click on Library in the left-hand menu, click the playlist to go to the playlist page, then copy the URL. If you want to grab the URL of a specific video in a playlist, just click on the video in the playlist, then copy the URL. If you want to share the playlist from somebody else's channel, just go to that channel page and click on Playlists. Click on the playlist you wish to share, then copy the playlist URL. Here's some other places where you can share your YouTube playlist. You can add it to a section on the YouTube channel homepage. Just make sure you include the title and description because it'll appear above your playlist. You can add a playlist link in the description below your video. You can pin a playlist link to the top of your comments. If you want to embed a playlist on your website, just click on the share button of the video that's in the playlist. Click on embed and copy the iframe code that YouTube gives you. This is the HTML code that you want to embed in your website. Another way to share your playlist so you can extend the watch time of your YouTube videos is to add it to an end screen. Watch the video on the screen right now on how to get more end screen views on YouTube. You'll learn what end screens are, how to add an end screen mistakes to avoid, and how to track your end screen click-through rate.